Now that you have your website created, you're going to begin to embed your project videos into your website along with reflections. So if you have not yet created a page for your I Am project, you're going to go over here to Pages, down here add a page, and call it I Am project. You may have already done this, and if so, it's listed here, so you just click on that. So on this page, you're going to embed your video and write your reflection. If I double click, I'm going to get these menu options, and I'm going to hit embed. And here I will paste the URL to my video link. So I'm just going to pull one of your video links that you've submitted here. So here in Vimeo, I'm going to get my entire URL, copy that, go back to my web page, and paste it in here, and tell it to insert. Then I'm going to double click again over here in this white space, and I have an option to add text, and here I will type in my reflection. Now this reflection is basically what you got up and talked about before we played your video in class. Those questions should still be in your email. So you are going to write out your reflection in paragraph form, not question form. So don't paste my questions in there and then answer them. I want you to create a paragraph that answers all of those questions. Be sure you are using complete sentences, proper capitalization, and proper punctuation. You are able to resize your video if you want to make it larger or smaller. Your reflection, you can change the text. So if I want just reflection to be bigger and then everything I type can be smaller, you can make stuff bold and whatnot. Once you are finished with this, make sure you publish. Anything new you add to your web page needs to be published in order for me to be able to view it. So you'll hit publish. This should already be filled out from previous, and just hit publish again. And you don't need to send me the link again if you've already done it. I already have access here, and I'll just pull up these links each time I need to check your pages.